All right, happy homeowners, happy homeowners. Good morning. Here we are, Monday morning, late March, almost the end of March. Getting ready to do a refinish. We're at a place called Top of the Hill, top of the world actually, top of the world in Laguna Beach, California. Getting ready to refinish a white oak floor. It's a wide plank, and the floor is in great shape. But let's go in, look at it, talk about what we're going to do. Turn this around. Morning, Jorge. Oh, yeah. Everybody's scared of the camera. So here we go. Look at this. So it's a little dark. I'm gonna show you the view in the back. But when this was put in, installed, it was more of a whitewash. You can see that glare. That's from the cleaning products. It should have had no shine. Here's some sample boards. We're going to sand these sample boards down, and this is a grayish brown. We're not going to go that dark. We're going to go in between this and what the floor was originally. And I'm going to show you this back view. Mike, I'm live on Facebook. Say hi. That's the happy homeowner, but look, he said he's never leaving this view. This is amazing. Look at that sun coming up. Man. Hey, Mike, this is where you have, look, Mike's got the jacuzzi, so he's spending, what, you're sitting in that thing staring at the stars, aren't you? Having that, I seen that big bottle of Jack Daniels. So you got a Jack and Coke enjoying.
Look, we may not have toilet paper, we got booze.
Yeah, that's all we need. Yeah, so you can see that line from the burn of where the sun comes in, but all that's going to be gone. So we're going to transform this place. Hanging the plastic right now. We're going to get busy.